In 2024, we bring you the ultimate video showcasing the best eco-friendly and sustainable travel destinations that will leave you astonished. Our engaging viral video aims to captivate your attention and provide valuable knowledge on these incredible destinations. From the serene forests of Costa Rica, where eco-lodges blend seamlessly with nature, to the breathtaking landscapes of New Zealand's Fiordland National Park, where visitors can immerse themselves in the wonders of sustainable living. Our video captures it all. We take you on a thrilling journey to the innovative city of Copenhagen, Denmark. Known for its commitment to sustainable transportation and green initiatives. Experience the tranquil beauty of the Maldives, where resorts are dedicated to preserving marine life through conservation efforts. Learn about the indigenous communities in Ecuador's Amazon rainforest, who share their sustainable practices and cultural heritage. Explore the enchanting beauty of Iceland, where renewable energy powers the entire country, leaving minimal carbon footprint. Witness the incredible wildlife conservation efforts in South Africa's Kruger National Park, where ecotourism plays a vital role. Discover the hidden gems of Slovenia, with its untouched landscapes and eco-conscious tourism initiatives. Our video is designed to inform and inspire, showcasing the best eco-friendly and sustainable travel destinations of 2024. Get ready to be amazed and start planning your next sustainable adventure.